Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off family sharing on iPhone. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead to your browser and basically how to turn off family sharing on your iPhone. Go to the settings, tap family, tap your name, tap stop using family sharing, go back to your screen, and let's apply those things to our settings. And then basically on your search right here in the settings, just type right here family, right? Click on it, right? And you're gonna be able right here to see on the cloud, you're gonna be able to see the family, right? And then as you can see right here, I haven't actually set it up. So basically if you did, just toggle this one off on the family sharing, and basically that's it. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching, and we will definitely see you in the next one.